Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your own markers on the SCRIBIT device. So what we're going to do is just grab a regular Sharpie marker. This is a Sharpie that is just slightly thinner than the standard SCRIBIT marker, and you can see the difference right there. So I'm going to take this Sharpie right here and I'm going to use my marker adapters. The marker adapters that are here on the side include standard O-rings that are just a standard ring, as well as a thicker O-ring that you might want to use for thinner markers, right? So all you have to do is take off one of these pieces and insert the thicker O-ring. It's kind of a rubbery like ring. And then what you can do is you can actually, well, if you want your marker to go in this way, all you have to do is really slide this on to this point right here. And you can see, you can put the cap on the back if you want. And now this piece actually stays on. If I shake it around, this piece doesn't fall off, and you can easily just insert it and twist it on like I showed you in a past video. So twisting it on, and there you go. That's how you put your own marker on the SCRIBIT device. So keep that in mind. Maybe I'll just show you as a courtesy that if you take this thing off, this marker, this thing would fall right off, right? You have to have these O-rings, the thicker one, to hold a thinner marker. So keep those tips and hints in mind when you're putting your own markers in your SCRIBIT. And at this point, I'll say thank you so much for watching and have a great day.